plants, Dan?
You know what? Typically down south, we cook our collards with ham hock and a lot of seasoning, but what I've got planned for these is let's just braise them.
Love it.
All right, so we're gonna need to wash them.
Okay.
My garden's clean.
But anyway, just in case.
But it does have dirt in it.
Just in case.
Yes.
And we have a lot here, right? This is a big recipe, but of course, by braising, it's all going to shrink down to hardly anything, right?
It's gonna shrink down. Gavin, I'm gonna show you how we prep them at the restaurant. I cannot abide a collard stem.
You don't like them?
No. So I'm just gonna take that out, just like that. All right, so see, we stack them up like that.
Okay.
We roll them.
Oh, I didn't see what you're doing. So you're gonna do like a chiffonade, sort of like if you were chopping basil or something like that.
but not that thin.
Gotcha. And now these collards are loaded in nutrients.
All right, so if you want to finish those collards,
Okay.
I will dice up this onion, and I'm gonna get our pot to heating.
So basically, we saute the onion with. Do we put any herbs in there, any spices or anything?
What you talking about, herb?
Herb.
Herb?
Yeah. 3 herbs.
Herb? No. No, herb ain't getting near my pot for these. Just some salt and pepper.
We're on the pig's back, as we say in Ireland.
On the pig's back?
On the pig's back.
What does that mean?
It means we're doing good. We're flying high right now.
On the pig's back, I like it. I will be using that.
Use that.
All right, so, and now we've also got to get on the Swiss chard.
Now the Swiss chard, I mean, I reckon we could eat the stalks of that because they're so tender, right? What do you think?
I don't know, I'm just not a stalky person.
You're not a stalky. Well, we'll have a look and see what it looks like.
All right, let's see.
Now, do we cook both of these at the same time? All right, I'll trust you.
Whoa! You know what it tastes like?
What's it taste like?
Tastes just like a beet. It's so beety. I adore beets.
Beets are good.
All right, Gavin, let's get our collards and Swiss chard into the pot. All right.
Okay, so we just saute this for a few minutes?
Yeah, I'm saying a little bit more olive oil.
Okay.
Because that was a pretty big pot, Gavin.
So what goes in now? We put the stock in?
We're gonna put the stock in.
Say, so a couple of cups or something, is that what you said?
Something like that. Then we're gonna put the lid on there. And we're gonna let them cook for about 20 minutes.
Lovely.
So just 2 cups of chicken stock.
Beautiful. Oh, yeah.
How's that?
This is going to be delicious. Look how much that's already shrunk down.
I know.
Oh, this is awesome. I'm very excited.
So there you go, 20 minutes.
Fabulous. So should we check the stew?
I'm in.
Let's go. Holy moly.
Holy camole.
There's nothing wrong with that.
No.
Look at that. Watch yourself now.
That.
That looks dynamite.
Yes. So this looks fabulous.
This looks dynamite. So I tell you what we'll do.
Okay.
I'm going to toast some of my soda bread to get a nice crispiness. You fry an egg, and let's chow.
If you would, dip us up some greens.
Okay, got it.
So that those will be ready when we fry our eggs. There's yours. Now, I'm gonna cook mine just a wee bit longer. All right, how's our toast?
Oh, look at that.
We got our stew.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Oh, looks yummy. Now, you know what I'm gonna do for our Irish stew? I would love just a little of the potato on the bottom.
Oh, that's what I have.
Oh, okay.
Oh, absolutely.
Good.
I want the same as
Is
you.
that enough potato?
That's good enough to start with.
Perfect.
Little bit of stew. Can I dish up for you?
Please.
I got it. This smells unbelievable.
Oh, that's a plenty, honey.
Look at that.
So, Gavin,
So this is yours, sweetheart.
I've got a little paprika right there.
This is for?
You know, just for color, just to bump it up a little bit. Yes, look how pretty.
Little smoky flavor on there.
Yes, and we've got room for our soda bread.
Yeah, but now the beauty about toasting like this is that we have a nice thick slice, which means it's crispy on the outside,
A
but
nice
soft.
thick slice.
A thick one, yeah.
A thick one.
T-I-C-K, thick.
All right, my egg's almost ready.